Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex and I have a slight addiction to shopping online at Lululemon. As you can see behind me, I have a bunch of Lululemon packages and also some PR packages that I just got, so figured I would do an unboxing and show you guys everything that I received this week. And yes, I do have a lot more packages on the way, so if you're not subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and now that you've done that, let's get into today's video. I guess we'll start off with the Lululemon packages, although I do have these PR packages that I'm so excited for. I did open one and I have another one that I have not opened, but I got curious, so had to open some stuff up. Also did open some of the Lululemon stuff I got as well. I did just actually use one this morning when I went to the gym, and yes, Sonic Pink, as you guys can see. But we're gonna open these packages first and see what else I received, because like I said, I have a lot of packages that are still on the way and I have no idea what's in these bags, so I guess we're gonna find out together, and that's what makes it fun. Okay, good. I wanted to wear this tomorrow, so I'm happy that I was able to do this. This is a simple, basic t-shirt. This is the All Yours tee graphic in a size 2. It went on markdown and I've been obsessed with the All Yours t-shirts. I think this is my third or fourth one, but they're just so nice, oversized. This one is all black. It says Lululemon over here, and then at the back it has like a fun graphic Lululemon design on it, which I really like. And it's not going to be too weird because I love tucking these shirts in the back of my sports bra. It just looks really, really nice, very flattering, and I just love oversized t-shirts on days that I'm like bloated or I don't want to wear something like super tight. 2 size 2s left in stock when I checked out, so I was like fingers crossed that this is going to show up at my house, and it did, and I'm very, very happy. Just love nice basic oversized t-shirts, and I had to go with black because I don't have any like black plain kind of colors. I got another Sonic Pink to find, which if you guys didn't see, I do have 2 of them, and it's because I didn't know what size to get, and I got one in a size 2 at first, but then I also got one in a size 4. If you missed the video, I do also have a cropped Define in pastel blue. Got that in a size 2. I like how it fits, but I feel like the 4 would just be a little more comfortable, so decided to keep the pastel blue in a 2 and ordered Sonic Pink in a 4, and I will be keeping the 4. I'll try on both for reference. I don't think there's going to be a big difference where you can see which one's a size 2 and which one's a 4, but just for personal preference, I do think I will be sizing up to a size 4. I have all my other Defines in a size 2, but I feel like this one just runs a little bit smaller, so 4 is just going to be my go-to moving forward. And then also I got these Aligns, which are graphite gray. They were also on markdown from last Thursday. The Define jackets were full price, very hard to get, so if you see it in stock, just order it, and you can always return it if you don't like it. But I did pick up these graphite gray leggings as well. Got them in a size 0 because it was like the only size left, and I can fit in a 0 and a 2, so I'm like in between kind of. I would say I like how the 0s fit more for shorts. They're a little more comfortable. 0 for leggings is a little bit tighter. I feel like I do have to wear it out so it stretches out, but still in the process of like seeing if I can size down to a 0. If it'll stretch out to be like a 2, then it'll be perfect. I will have all the links, prices, and everything in the description as always, because I never remember how much I spend at Lululemon or for each individual item. I order way too much, so everything will be in the description. I thought this was gonna come later, but I guess it's here now. This is the white t-shirt. I think it's the All Yours t-shirt, but could be very wrong because this is from the men's collection, and now that I feel it, it is definitely not the same as the All Yours t-shirt. This is the Fundamental Tee. Got in a size medium. It is from the men's side, but it did go on markdown, and I really like wearing my boyfriend's clothes. I feel like it's very comfy and everything, and again, oversized, tucked in the back is very like trendy, but also I feel comfortable wearing that and it looks cute, so picked this up. Just plain white. It says Lululemon, although I feel like it might be a little see-through. But also I feel like it's not going to be tight enough to stretch the material, so it will pass, I feel, and I just think this is going to be super cute. I just wanted a plain like white t-shirt and then also like a plain black t-shirt. I feel like I don't have those basic everyday staples, so had to pick this one up. Very happy with it. Got it in a medium. No other size was available. Would have probably preferred it in a small because I feel like a medium is just a little too big, but also if I don't like it tucked in, I can always get it cropped because Lululemon does offer free hemming, if you didn't know, on like leggings and on shirts as well, so you can get it cropped into a crop top, which I'm actually going to bring some stuff to get hemmed. These leggings are actually 28 inch and I'm 25. I usually buy 25s. These ones, like I said, were the last ones in stock. 25s were completely sold out, so I had to do 28 for this. So I think I'm going to drop them off at Lulu and get them hemmed to 25. And then I also have these green Aligns that I showed you a while ago that I purchased. I thought I could pull off like the green, but I feel like they're just very, very bright. I feel like they'll be cuter in short versions. They are Aligns also. They're the 25 inch, but I think I'm gonna get them to be hemmed to be like 6 inch, maybe even 5 inch. So stay tuned for that because I will show you before and afters. And then moving on to PR packages. First one is by the one, the only, my favorite, absolute favorite hair care brand, Fanola. If you don't know, I love Fanola. This is it. Give me like cute handwritten letters that I love, and it says, "Hi Alexandra, here's a refill on your Fanola faves. Thank you so much for all your support. Love," etc, etc, which I think it is so cute that they do that. I'm going to show you guys my staples. I've been using these for a year, I think like almost 2 years now. These are my ride or die. You guys always say my hair looks so nice, my hair looks so shiny, etc, etc. Fanola bestie. Again, we'll have it in the description. This is their hair mask. Keraterm Hair Ritual Hair Mask. Swear by this. My mom also has very curly hair. She loves it, and they were nice enough to send me 2 because, like I said, my mom uses it. We go through it so fast. Like, it is the best hair mask. Yes, both of these were sent to me, but I actually don't even have to post about it. They just send PR so I can have, and I don't have to like post about it. I don't have to talk about it, but I genuinely love them so much. I think we've gone through 4 of these already. Also got this spray, which I just accidentally broke open, but this is the Keraterm spray. It's the same as the hair mask, but I love this. It's really good for frizziness, and you just like spray it on your hair, and it also works as a heat protectant. And then I picked up their shampoo and conditioner. This is the restructing conditioner and restructing shampoo. This smells so good. The conditioner is like, it smells like coffee, but like in the best way. You can already smell it through the packaging. Oh, I love it. And next up, Palure sent me a package, which you guys are gonna see what's inside and you're gonna be like, wait, Alex, didn't you just say you love Fanola? Yes, Fanola is my ride or die hair brand, but the person that introduced me to Fanola actually also was able to introduce me to this brand and asked if I wanted to try any of this brand's products. And because I trust this person so much for putting me on Fanola, I was like, you know what, sure, I trust you. Even though Fanola is my ride or die, I'm open to trying new things. So they sent me over a cute little PR package. This is what it looks like. It says something new for Alexandra's strands. I did already open this up because I was so excited, but this is what it looks like. As soon as you open this, I have to show you guys this first. This is like the cutest things. I love brands that do little things like this. So this is a journal, and it says, "Hello, my name is Alexandra's Palure Journey. Pleasure to meet you." Okay, this is what it looks like. Very cute. And on the first page, look at that. How cute. I'm obsessed. A little notebook, which is great because I'm actually doing some courses, so I can use that as that, or I can use it to journal. If you guys didn't know, if you're not following me on Instagram, I actually am learning school again, which I never ever thought I would say, but your girl is back in school, just learning some fun courses, so can never have too many notebooks. Nice little pencil, gold pencil, very aesthetic. Some notes in there. It says, "See you on your next hair wash day." Again, another very super cute handwritten note. Love that. Stickers. How freaking cute are these stickers as well, you know? Self-care day, iced coffee, their products. Like, these are just so cute. Love that. And then just more information about the brand, which I'm very excited to learn about. And the 3 products that they sent over, their SOS Save Our Strands Deep Conditioner, avocado plus argan oil infused, cruelty-free and vegan. This is the conditioner. The shampoo says 100% vegan, cruelty-free, which we love, infused with avocado plus argan oil and bond builder. Damage undone. This 2-in-1 hair healing shampoo reverses hair damage, giving you the salon finish your hair deserves. This color-friendly hair healing shampoo is formulated to do the absolute most for your hair as it cleans while repairing hair bonds. It's very like clean and fresh. And the next thing is SOS Save Our Shine transparent hair oil, again with avocado and argan oil infused, vegan and cruelty free and sulfate free. So this is what it looks like. It's just a clear serum. Ooh, it's the consistency. Ooh, smells good again. So I just use it like my other hair oil. I kind of just do the ends and I just go like that. It smells really nice. This has more of a fragrant smell than the shampoo and conditioner, but still very nice. So I just go like that, and then if I have leftover after I'm done infusing the bottom, I will just kind of very lightly go like that and just leave it like that. But I do like it. It's very fragrant though, so that is one thing. I personally love fragrances and I love smelling good, but if you're somebody that is a little scent sensitive, this one is a little bit stronger than the shampoo and conditioner. And that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. In the next couple weeks, I'm doing something very, very fun, and I cannot believe this is happening in Toronto, but I can't tell you what it is, but I'm gonna bring you guys along, and that's all I'm going to say for now, but it's very exciting that it's happening in Toronto. It's very exclusive, so I can't tell you guys just yet, but I will tell you when that video comes up that that is the thing that I was talking about. So stay tuned for that. Again, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!